Khal, also known as roasted corn flour, is a versatile ingredient widely used in African cuisine. It's renowned for its rich, nutty flavor and high nutritional value. Here's a simple process to create several dishes using khal. Start with a basic khal base. Begin by roasting dried corn kernels until they are golden brown. Allow them to cool fully before grinding the kernels into a fine powder, using a food processor or traditional grinding tools. To make a simple khal porridge, combine 2 cups of water with half a cup of khal in a saucepan. Stir continuously to prevent clumping as you gradually bring the mixture to a boil. Add a pinch of salt for taste, and cook until the porridge thickens to your desired consistency. This serves as a nutritious breakfast option. For a savory twist, consider adding sautéed vegetables such as spinach, tomatoes, and onions. Begin by heating a tablespoon of oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add diced onions and cook until they are translucent before adding chopped tomatoes and spinach. Stir until the vegetables are tender, then mix the sautéed vegetables into the prepared khal porridge. This creates a hearty and filling meal suitable for lunch or dinner. Khal can also be used to make a type of cracker. Combine 1 cup of khal with half a cup of water and a pinch of salt to form a dough. Roll out the dough on a floured surface until it's about 1/8 inch thick. Cut the rolled dough into squares or desired shapes and place them on a baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Allow the crackers to cool before enjoying them as a snack or serving alongside soups and stews. Lastly, consider using khal as a coating for fried foods. Mix half a cup of khal with a blend of spices such as paprika, garlic powder, and black pepper. Dredge chicken pieces or vegetable slices in the khal mixture before frying them in hot oil until they are crispy and golden. This imparts a unique flavor and a crunchy texture.